Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can monetize Snapchat Spotlight. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. So once you open Snapchat, click on here and then you need to click on any sound and click on use sound, and you need to record a video. From here you can record your best video however you want to record. So once you done that, you simply need to preview it, and then you need to click on send to and click on spotlight. So here you can see submit your best video in in snaps. So after that click on ok and your video will be go in spotlight. Make sure that you reach a good level of fame on the Snapchat spotlight, and after that Snapchat offers you a monetization option that you can use to monetize your spotlight. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.